Hey everyone, so today on Guitar Speaker Cabinets we are working on a 212 diagonal for Fargen amplification. Okay, so I've got the pine panels all cut and marked out for the dovetail jig. I'm going to go ahead and get the dovetails cut, the panels glued up, and then start cutting our baffle and rear panel. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick this up, but Mount Lassen from the shop. See if I can zoom in on it. Peeking through the trees there. Got a good coating of snow. All right, let's get to work. All right, got the all the dovetails done. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cabinet glued up. All right, same thing here, no special magic. Just make sure you get glue in all the holes here for the tails, and then a little bit of glue when I go to clamp it, push out between the pins and the tails. All right, got everything glued up. It's squared and clamped, and I switched today to the Type on 1. It's a cooler day today. It's below 60 degrees. Typically, if the temperature is going to be below 60 degrees, I'll switch to Type on 1 rather than the Type on 2 or Gorilla Glue. The Gorilla Glue works good above 60 degrees as well as the Type on 2. So anyway, that's that. I'm going to get to work on the baffle. Okay, so I got my baffle cut, my rear panel cut. I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes, the pilot holes for my router, my circle cutter to get the speaker cutouts done. And then I'll do the same thing on the back panel with the oval cutout. This particular cabinet gets oval cutout for the back panel, and then just a single 1/4 inch jack. On the actually no, this one gets a stereo, the plug and play stereo mono jack setup. So I'll get those cut. I really like this Radiata pine plywood. It's virtually void free. I don't know if you can see. This stuff is really good. It's super lightweight. And it sounds fantastic. It's solid pine. Well, it's plywood, but it's all pine, so it doesn't use like a fir core or anything. It's every ply is the Radiata pine, which is Monterey pine. But it's really good stuff. Nice and light, and it sounds really good. Use it on pretty much all of our lower wattage amplifier cabinets. So anything below 50 watts, I like to use this instead of the Baltic birch. This is the jig that I use to cut the oval port on the back panel, as well as the plug and play jack cutout. So this is specific to the Fargen 212 diagonal offset, the 212 offset. All right, it's been sitting for about 3 hours. Get to sanding this thing down and get my router work done. All right, so we got all the woodwork done on this 212 offset for Fargen Amplification. I'm going to do the Tolex tomorrow. It's getting a little bit late. I'm getting hungry. I'm going to grab some dinner and get back with you tomorrow.